Hello mini traders, in this video of our comprehensive algo trading course, we are going to finish the basics of Python programming by looking at datetime, math, Json, and error handling. So let's get started. As you know, prices become meaningful when we look at them with time, and this is the second dimension of price charts. For working with date and time, we have a built-in module called Datetime in Python. In the first example, we imported this module for showing current date time. As you see, the date contains year, month, day, hour, minute, second, and microsecond. For accessing specific parts of this structure, we can use strftime function with a specific format. You can see the most important part of its legal formats in the example. There's another way for accessing this information, which is using some of the methods in the module like what you see in the next example. For creating a datetime object, we can use the datetime constructor. You can practice making datetime object with more details. Now let's talk about the math module, which is another built-in module in Python, which helps us do some mathematical calculations easier. I have bring some of the functions of this module in examples, and in comments you can see what each function does. Try different numbers for better understanding. Notice that some of the functions are not inside the math module and you don't need to import it before using them. These functions are used vastly in algo trading. Now let's talk about Json. Json, or JavaScript Object Notation, is an accepted syntax for storing and exchanging data by lots of platforms. In Python, we have a Json module to handle this kind of data. For example, we have specifications of EUR/USD in JSON. And by using JSON loads, we can convert it into Python dictionary and access its data. We can also convert data from Python to JSON for sending them to another platform. This is possible using JSON dumps method. Now let's see how programmers plan for errors in Python programming. Standard codes have considered different cases may occur while running a program and have planned for each case. This is possible with try-except combination. Let me explain it with an example. The try block lets you test a block of code for errors. The except block lets you handle the error. Note that we can have more than one exception. The else block lets you execute code when there's no error. The finally block lets you execute code regardless of what the results of try and except block. There's another keyword in this field called raise. The raise keyword is to raise an exception. You can see an example of how it works. You can also change the parameters for better understanding. I know most of you might not use this in your own codes, but it was necessary for understanding codes coming from other resources. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching, have a good time, and bye.